Hello and welcome back to How Logical. In today's tutorial episode, I'll be helping you learn how to reset your Kakao account's password. You might find yourself in a situation when you are trying to log into your Kakao account, but you've forgotten the password and don't know what to do next. In this case, follow the steps and make sure to watch the video till the end. If you are not subscribed to our channel yet, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Start by tapping open your KakaoTalk application and accept the access to the following by tapping on the accept button in yellow. Allow KakaoTalk to access to your contacts, photos, medias and files, and on the next page you'll need to enter your credentials. Enter your email, and when asked to enter your password, tap on Find Kakao Account or Password at the bottom. From the option, choose I forgot my password since we are resetting our password today. On the next page, to reset your password for your KakaoTalk account, you'll need to enter an email or phone number. If you want to receive a verification code via email, then enter your email. If you want to choose the phone number option, then simply go enter your phone number. Let me enter my email here. After that, tap on the next button. You still have an option to verify yourself to reset the password by using your phone number or your email address. Choose any one you would want and simply give it a tap. To verify using the email address, tap on the verify button and you'll receive a verification code. Or if you want to use other methods, then tap on using other methods at the bottom and you have been back to the same page where you can choose your phone number option or your email address. Tap on your phone number if you want to choose the phone number option, and you can enter your nickname in the first text field. On the next, choose your country code and enter your phone number. And you'll need to enter a verification code that you receive. After you receive the code, simply copy the code and enter it right here in the text field and tap on next. Your profile has been found. Now tap on Get Started, answer the question, and on the next page you can change your password. Simply type in the password you want to change to and re-enter the password on the next field. Make sure your password must have 8 to 32 characters and you can use upper or lowercase letters, numbers and special characters to make your account more secure. After that, tap on the confirm button and you will be able to reset your Kakao account's password. Next time you log in, make sure to enter the new password you just created. That is how you can do it. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.